If you want to change media output on Samsung Galaxy A27, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, if there is a song being played at a moment or media in general, then most likely you will find a live notification of the media where you can, for example, control the media. You can pause it, for example, or something. And what you can do is you can use the media output button that we have in the upper right corner of this notification, and then you should be able to switch to, for example, phone speaker or your connected Bluetooth device or something different. What you can also do is you can go to the quick settings panel, and then over here we also have a similar notification or section where we can control media output. In fact, if there is no song being played at a given moment, you still have the option to choose the media output over here. So it looks like this. Here we have the media output button, and before you start playing a song or media in general, you can still choose whatever should be used. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.